In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with QuickBooks. This integration can streamline your workflow and seamlessly connect your task management with your accounting software, helping you to automate processes and save valuable time. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board you wish to integrate with QuickBooks. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see several options, including one labeled Integrate. Click on this option to begin the integration process. This button is your gateway to connecting Monday.com with a host of other applications, allowing for a smoother transfer of information across platforms. Now that you've clicked on Integrate, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll want to select Integrations from the menu, indicated by a drop-down or an icon, depending on your interface setup. The Integration Center is where all potential connections reside, offering a wide range of apps you can link with Monday.com to maximize productivity. With the Integration Center open, you'll notice a search bar where you can type in the name of the specific application you're looking to integrate. In this case, you'll want to type QuickBooks into the search field. As you type, the system will generate a list of results closely matching your input. This feature saves you time by quickly narrowing down the exact integration you need. Once you see QuickBooks in the results, go ahead and click on it. This will display a set of pre-designed recipes or templates specifically tailored to link Monday.com with QuickBooks. These templates are created to simplify the integration process by offering predefined automation, making it easier for you to set up connections without needing extensive technical know-how. After reviewing the available templates, the next step is to select one. You will do this by clicking on Use Template for the specific connection that suits your needs best. This button enables you to choose from various automation options, like creating invoices, syncing customer data, or updating financial records based on your Monday.com activity. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the initial steps to integrating Monday.com with QuickBooks. By following these instructions, you've laid the foundation for more efficient workflows that aid in managing your tasks and financial data concurrently. Keep in mind that each business's needs may vary, so feel free to explore the different templates and see which one aligns perfectly with your operational goals. Remember, this simple integration can dramatically boost your operational efficiency, saving you and your team time and effort in managing business processes. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy integrating!